Hello and welcome everyone on this online platform of Agriculture Wala. Today we discuss about little leaf of eggplant. The disease of brinjal was reported from India in 1938 and probably occurs only in India and Sri Lanka. In almost all the states of the country, it has become a serious problem facing brinjal cultivation. Loss in 100% in the disease plant of they were attacked when young. Such plants do not produce any flower or fruit. Joshi and Bose 1983 reported over 90% loss in fruit production. In addition, there is loss of germinability of seeds from fruits produced by plants infected at later stage of growth. Early infection results in reduced root length and fresh and dry root weight more than in late infections. Symptoms, characteristics, symptoms of the disease is smallness of the leaves. The petioles are so short that leaves appear sticking to the stem. Such leaves are narrow, soft, smooth, and yellow. Newly formed leaves are much more shortened. The internodes of the stem are also shortened, and at the same time, a large number of axillary buds are stimulated to grow into short branches with small leaves. This gives the plant a bushy appearance. Mostly there is no flowering, but if flowers develop, they remain green. Fruiting is rare. Causal organism. Prior to 1968, the causal agent of little leaf of brinjal was considered to be a virus. Since 1969, there were many reports about the disease being associated with a mycoplasma-like organism. The MLO has been described as ovoid or spherical body measuring 40 to 300 nanometer in diameter and lacking a ridge cell wall. These structures are present in the phylum sieve tube cells of stems, petioles, phyllodes, and roots, and also in the hemioles of the insect vector. Hicimonas cites adjacent combining cells of the phylum show wall ingrowths, dilate endoplasmic reticulum, dilated and Rupert Christie, deform outer mitochondrial membranes, and rupture of plastid membranes and tonoplast suggesting involvement of some toxin produced by the pathogen. Therapy of disease plants with tetracycline antibiotics but not penicillin has been given as additional proof of the agent being a MLO. The MLO cause little leaf of brinjal is transmitted in nature by the vector Castius cites or Hicimonas cites, while Amphosia devastations is a less effective vector. The same MLO occurs on Datura fastuosa and Vinca artificially. It has been transmitted to potato, tomato, and tobacco. Pollination of the MLO is through it weed hosts. From these sources, it is transmitted by the vector to the brinjal crop. Dhawan and Sethi (1977) have reported interrelationship between the MLO and root node nematodes. Management disease. The severity of the disease can be reduced by destruction of diseased plant and spraying of insecticides. New crops should be planted only when diseased plant diseased plants in the field and in the neighborhood have been removed. Metacystops, malathion, or a mixture of 0.1% BSC and 0.1% DDT have been recommended for vector control, although tetracycline antibiotics suffers MLO. The effect is temporary. The symptoms are masked for some time. Some cultivars such as Pusa purple cluster, Arca seal, Aussie, Manjri, Gota, and Banaras giant show moderate resistance in the field. Other cultivars found tolerant to the disease are Black Beauty, Brinjal Round, and Surti. So thank you everyone to listen me. Please support this channel.